A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
You know, say, I know everybody were close to you and even in your own family, I got understand and accept the work where God gave you for do. But it's all right in a good company, because the same thing did reach Jesus. By the way, if you like this video and you want to make sure that other people can see it, just click the like button and share it also with somebody who need a word today. Remember to press the subscribe button and the little bell where we make them tell you everything we are going right here. So every time a new video get uploaded, all right? So anyway, today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 13. After that, Jesus got all about in Galilee. Him turn away from Judea, because the Jew leader them did a look one way if he kill him. No, I did nearly time for the Jew people them hot holiday. Jesus' brother them said to him, move out from your son and go to Judea so your follower them can see the big and powerful sitting them where you can do. Because somebody we want people to know about them, not do what them do under the quiet. So since you do them sitting here, show off yourself to the world. Make everybody see you and know where you do. Because not even his own brother them never they believe in him. But Jesus said to them, say, for uno, anytime at the right time. But for me time not come yet. The people them in the world can't hate uno. But they hate me. Can me tell them, say, what them do, wicked and bad. Uno go on up there, go take part in a hot holiday. Me now go, because the right time for me go, no come yet. So after I tell them that, in turn which part in the day, in a Galilee. After him brother them left, he go take part in the hot holiday at Judea. Jesus go up there too. But he go under the quiet, so nobody could have seen him. No, the Jew leader them, where they did I look out for him and did I ask, which part him there? One whole heap of people did I whisper, where them think about Jesus amongst themselves. Some did I say, him a one good man. And you did have some who say, no sir, him a fool up the people them. But in all where did I go on, everybody keep at them mouth. Not even a soul would have said nothing for make too much people hear what them think. Because them did afraid of where the Jew leader them would have do them. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.